Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a wig install from Wiggins Hair. They are sponsoring this video. So we'll be doing this install. I'll be showing you guys how to put it in as well as do bombshell curls. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thoughts on the hair is I like it. It is HD lace. I have done nothing more than just bleach the knots, and girl, it's blending. I don't have makeup on it or anything right now. Just simply bleach the knots, and here we are. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and work on installing, and you guys can just watch me do that. So let's go. So when using the boho, you want to make sure that it dries clear before applying your next layer or before applying your lace. So now that it is completely clear, we can go ahead and apply the lace. I'm only going to do one layer because I don't plan on wearing this wig a long time. I just don't like to wear my wigs very long. I kind of like to wear them and kind of switch them out. So let's go. All right, so I really, before I lay this down, I did not add any product to the actual lace, right? So there is no makeup or anything on the actual lace. The only thing that I did was bleach the knots, and I really didn't even bleach them for that long. I probably bleached them for like 5 minutes with the 40 developer because it already came pre-bleached. I just needed the knots in the front just to blend in like a little bit more. But also, I have not plucked this wig. It came like this, like this is all Wiggins hair. I didn't pluck this or anything. And the fact that it is blending so seamlessly, like, I'm here for it. I'm here for it because normally I have to put on like a lot of product on the lace to get it to blend. So hopefully after we do this melt, it literally won't be too much of anything else to do. The hair also came curled. Of course, I washed the frontal because I bleached it. But pretty much, like, it comes fresh out the pack. You could probably put this on your head. I'm just, like, super weird about the front. The the bleaching of it. So I decided to bleach it, but literally you don't have to. You don't have to. It looks good. All right, so I applied the band and I'm gonna let the band sit for probably about a good hour or so before I come back and do the rest of it, like cut the lace off. Just because whenever you're using the boho active, you want to give it time to kind of melt into the lace. They say 24 hours, but I think like an hour or so is good. Plus I'm not really going anywhere, so yeah. But this is it. I am thoroughly impressed with just the way that the lace is laying so far. So right now I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10, but I'm thoroughly impressed. All right, so I've let this sit for a little bit. My head is feeling very tight. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. Ooh, so I'm gonna take it off. Ooh, goodness, my head feels so tight. But here it is, just like I said, fresh. Haven't done any adjustments or anything to it. And I think so far it looks good. But we're going to go ahead and cut because you guys know the cutting process is more... The cutting process, I couldn't get out, but the cutting process is normally a little bit more difficult. But I actually, so far, I'm liking what I'm seeing here. All right, I'm taking some of my foundation. I have it on the back of my hand, and you guys see where this cast is. I'm going to now go in and basically just fill around the cast. You know, get all that together. So this blends, because right now it's not a good blend. All right, so now on for like the semi-styling of the hair, which I think it looks okay. I think it looks good, right? Blends in. We're doing good. Okay, so I'm gonna just, I think I'm gonna do a middle part. I've been doing side parts lately, but I think I'm gonna do a middle part. All right, then I'm gonna hot comb it. So give me a second and I will be back. And then we can go ahead and put some curls into this, and then I'll also be doing my makeup as well. So I'll come back and I'll show you guys all of that together. Okay guys, so this is day 2. I actually decided to leave the hair overnight and then come back this morning and take it down. I actually like when my hair sits for 24 hours, so that's why, and I wanted a specific curl type, so here we are with that video. Alright guys, so here we are. This is the finished install. Hopefully you guys got something out of the video. If you did, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Overall thoughts of the hair is I absolutely love it. I think the HD lace is definitely HD in at this point, okay? The install was super simple, fresh out of the box. It did come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and it did have curls. So I do think that you could install it, just like take it out of the box and put it on. I think it'll be fine. But for me, there's just a specific way that I like the front of my hair to lay and look. So I just use bleach. I didn't even take the bleach all the way back, like literally probably like this spot forward is how much I actually bleached it. It was not bad, and I only left it on there for 5 minutes. Normally I'll do like 15 to 20, so it bleaches pretty quickly as well. And then also as far as the curl pattern, I felt like the curl pattern out of the box was pretty good, but just for me, I like a tighter curl pattern. So I use the flexi rods in order to get this curl pattern, okay? And I think that it holds a curl pretty well. I didn't use any product or anything. I literally just wrapped it around the rod and went to bed. That was it. So overall, I do think that the hair is definitely worth the purchase. I like it. I will link the details in the description, and you guys can check it out for yourself. Anyway, that is it for this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.